I'll walk you through how to add admin on your Facebook page. So first you have to convert, or you have to go to your page. So here you click on the top here. So I'll convert it to, or I'll go to my page. So I'll click here so that it will switch to my page. Yes. After it has switched to the page, now I am on my Facebook page. So on the page, you see there's a circle here like engine, and there's a dot inside. So you click on it once. When you click, it will send you here. Or you can search for settings and privacy. Either you click the top, or you search for settings and privacy. You click settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you see settings. You click on settings. It will bring you here. Here you search for audience and visibility. So I will scroll down. See audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you see page setup. Under audience and visibility, you see page setup. So I'll click on the page setup. So here on the page setup, you will see page access. So you click on the page access. Here, when you come here, please follow the steps to know if you want to invite someone as an admin on your page. So here you see on the top you see add new. So you click on the add new. Here you click next. Here, but before you add someone as an admin, the person should have Facebook account, or the person should be on Facebook. So I will search for the person that I want to use. So I'll search for the person. I want to use the person. So I'm searching for the person. So you search for the person. Good. So you click, when you search for the person, you click on the person here. Here you see the down here. So you tick on it and you click give access. When you do that, the person can now be admin on your Facebook page, so that he can also control the page, also comment, post content and other things. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. These are the steps to follow if you want to add someone as an admin on your page. Thank you. Bye bye.